Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Spotify to Wallpaper engine. First, go to Steam's workshop and then search for Wallpaper engine. The another way is go to Google and search for Steam Workshop Wallpaper engine. The first link will redirect you here. Now go over to the workshop and search for Spotify wallpaper. As you can see, we have got various type of applications, but we are gonna go for Spotify wallpaper too. From here you can see a subscribe button down there. Here it is. Click on it to download this application. Let's talk a little about this feature. Playing the album art of your currently playing song on the desktop and using color from it on the theme. Also, it will track the information and it also have their own playback controls. So this wallpaper is going to respond or sense according to your played music. Pretty interesting. That's all for today. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Stay tuned with us.